Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades in real time. Been a couple days since the last time I did one of these. I just wanted to, quite frankly, take a break from doing it. It's a little bit more easy to trade without having to talk out loud and explain things. But regardless, here I am. So let's see what happens for this Friday trading, and I will keep you updated. Okay, I'm in here on GMCR trying to build a short position up. My first entry was at 126.50. Looking to cover at 126.25, or like I said, build a bigger position up. So let's see what happens here with it. Don't need much of a pullback in order to get out here. Very quick, fast mover, so that's why I'm being extra careful here with my kind of easing into the position. So I will keep you posted. Okay, I'm getting close to getting potentially filled here. There's my order at 126.25. So now I have people cutting in front of me at 27. So let's see if it can pull back there. And I will do my best to try to capture if I get out, but this one's very jumpy, so we'll see what happens. Okay, going, seeing if I can get some shares here at 128.25. If it can break through 128 up here. So it's getting close there. Almost broke through. Now back down it goes. So this one is being a pain in my neck right now. It's not getting as volatile as I would wanted it to be. I'm gonna change it up to 128.50. I think it can get up there. So we shall see, but not a great way to start. I mean, it's moving, but it's not moving as much as I had originally anticipated it. So I may just end up taking a loss here on it and moving on. We'll see what happens. So okay, we're getting close to 128.50. Let's see if it can get. All right, now I'm in. So my average is 127.83. Try 300 up at 129.50. Like I said, my average is 127.83. So I'll try for some at 75 and 60. If it can drop down to 60, that'd be nice. So I've gotten rid of 100 of my shares. Now I'm just looking to see if I can get rid of some more. My next order is at 127.60. Or I'm looking to short some more at 129.50. So I'll keep you updated. Well, that was super fast, but my order got taken out at 127.60. So now I want to see if this thing can roll over some. If 127.50 can be broken. But to be honest, this thing has just been severely bugging me. So I want to see if I can just get out at 75. So all that hassle for $39. Let's move on. Okay, I have an order in here at 33.40. I pulled down as low as 33.55, but couldn't quite do it. Actually, that order needs to be down at 33.35. So let's see if I can get that. Just 200 shares, because if I need to, I will scale in. But I like, buying this pullback here. So let's see if it can get down there to the 50s, holding up as support as you would expect, given it's kind of that half-century mark. So I'll keep you updated if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Okay, 50's still getting hammered. All right, never mind. Okay, they fell. Now let's see if I can get 35s. 35 is right where that moving average is, so let's see if that can work out or not. Okay, getting closer. But now the 40s are proving to be pretty stubborn. All right, I will keep you updated. Okay, I changed my order to 25 and did get in. So I'll look to try to sell those for at 33.40 or build a bigger position to the downside. So let's see what happens here. Now only scaled in with 200 at first, so not a big order at all. But like I said, you know, if it wants to pull back some more, then I will build the position. So I'll try for another. Okay, so I'm out there for so $30 there, but I don't want to be done yet. If it pulls back some more, I'll try for some at 32.90. But I'm going to go fishing for some other ones right now, so I'm going to leave this order out here. And if it gets filled, great. If not, I'm going to go look for some other ones. Okay, let's see if we can get a break of 33, and that should trigger off some stop losses and cause a pretty fast move to the downside, where it will probably bounce back relatively quick. I have an order in at 32.80 now, but so far the round number of 33 holding up. I will keep you posted. Okay, going for the 33 break. You can see acting very stubborn here. I would try to short right here on it, but I mean, you have to be so quick in order to scalp out for, you know, a 10 cents or so, just because the computers and everything, you can't click up and be fast enough. So I'd rather buy into it, because if I were to pull up the 5-minute chart, you'll see this thing is just getting more and more overextended with each one of these candles. And, you know, it did gap up, so the overall context is still technically bullish. So this is just like a pullback into a big old candlestick. But so far, 33 has not fallen. I'll keep here. There's the fall. So see how fast it went down to 90. I mean, there's no way I could, you know, have captured that. Let's see if it gets any more follow through. So at least, if anything, you saw the effect of the black boxes and the supercomputers and just how stop losses work. 33 broke, and that's why I should have just put it at 33.91 and a quick 10-cent move down. And now you can see it's back up in 33.20. So if anything, good little example there of how you can try to leverage knowing that stop losses are going to go off into your favor. I didn't do that, but you know, that's definitely a strategy. Find the round number and then just, you know, go 10 cents below. Now we're starting to get a bounce, so I'm going to keep hunting. Okay, I have an order into short at 33.41, and I'm going to put a 33.51 stop on it if it can get up there. You know, if it rises back above this moving average, I'm just going to want out. But if it doesn't, and it can come back down here and then maybe finally get a new leg to the downside, that would be perfect. So let's see if it can get up to 45. I have a feeling if I do get filled, it's either going to be a quick trade where I get stopped out, or it's going to, you know, going to give me a chance. So let's see. Darn it. Let's see. Well, is this the rollover right here? And we're seeing, like I said, very minimal risk, because if it doesn't roll over, you know, that's fine. I'll just take a small loss. But if it does roll over and continue on the next leg down, looking at a very good potential payday. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, I have and I'm out. Well, what I did there was I went short at 33.10, thinking, you know, it was, you know, kind of right on the verge of potentially rolling over, but I put my stop up here and I got stopped out. So now I'm down on the day, actually $12. But you know, if that would have rolled over, and it's still very well may, then that'd be a sweet little score. But it didn't. So let's go find some winning trades here. Sorry about that. Picked up just 200 shares at 32.60, and then sold those at 32.75. I tried to short right there at that break. I was watching 33.05, and as soon as it would disappear, I'd hit the short button. But it literally, I wish I would have caught it on film, but I've been just watching it, and it was just happening in such a blink of an eye that it was pretty crazy. So wasn't able to capture that, but then I decided, well, you know, given the computers were acting that fast, I assumed this move here was overdone. So that's exactly what I did. Picked up some at 32.60, and like I said, before I could even get enroll it again, I was already out for a very fast 15-cent move there. So now I'm back into the green, not by much, by 18. This has been a pretty lackluster morning, but happy to be back in the green, obviously, and let's see if I can build on top of that. Going for some shares here short. There we go at 64 or 60.40 on CRM. You can see I move here, if I were to pull up the 5-minute, you'd see that. Why don't I just bring that over? You can see this candle very big already and overextended. So I like this as a beginning point to start to build a short position, and I can add to as needed. Whoops. Let's see if, all right, so I'm out. So again, just a 10-cent gain. That's kind of how today's been. I can't really form any sort of positions, although I'm willing to start over again at 60.75 if it can get up there, because that's just going to mean that the chart is that much more overextended. So we'll see if it can get up there. I'll keep you posted. Well, going for some JRJC down here at 1070, this previous breakout point, but with the way this day is going, I do not expect to get them at all. I cannot get any sort of pullback or price direction in my favor. I don't want to buy up there. I feel like that's chasing at this point, but if it's willing to come back to me a little bit, I can do that. But maybe you sense a little frustration in my voice. Yeah, like I said, it just has been a rough morning because, you know, when I try to build positions, I really can't. So I keep getting the 10-cent moves. Not that I don't want to sound ungrateful, but you know, I'd like to try to get a little bit more than $30 on a trade. But at this point, I'm struggling to even get into a trade. So, you know, not frustrated because I'm losing money or anything like that. Just, it's a little annoying that I can't seem to get any sort of entry points. But at the same time, you know, when you gotta just, you know, tell that voice to shut up that tells you, well, just get a little more aggressive. Just get a little more aggressive. Well, yeah, you get more aggressive and you start breaking your rules, and then all of a sudden you are losing money. So I'm kind of struggling with that little voice right now, just telling me, get more aggressive, get more aggressive. You know, you're making a video, you need to get more trades, but you know, I'm telling that voice to shut up. And yes, as a trader, I will fully admit I have all sorts of voices in my head telling me to do stupid things. And if you don't, then I think you're one of the few, because I'm pretty sure we all have voices that are always trying to convince us to do dumb things. But that's why I love charts, because the charts is a great way to just tell that voice, hey, shut up. So, all right, well, we're at 12 minutes. I'd like to capture one more trade, so I'm going to do my best, but we may just have to call this a very lackluster video, but we'll see what happens. Okay, to be honest with you, I'm about to do something really, really stupid. You know, there's a big difference. You know, my motto is trade without emotion, and you can still have emotions. Just don't let emotions affect your trading, and I'm right on the borderline of letting emotions affect my trading. I'm frustrated right now, yes. So am I feeling emotional? Yes. But am I going to let these emotions affect my trading? No. So I'm going to wrap things up. I think I'm just done for the day before I do something really stupid. So it is what it is. I'm up $48. I tried, I was scanning, but just nothing seemed to work today. And like I said, very frustrated right now. And, you know, but this is like a real-time diary, so I'm kind of venting. But again, it's okay to be emotional. But when I say trade without emotion, I mean, don't let those emotions affect your trading, and know when they're about to. And, you know, the charts are saying, why do you keep wanting to do all these stupid things? So I just need to acknowledge that and back off. So I'm done trading, at least for now. Maybe I'll go play with my daughter a little bit or something. But if you're interested in learning, you know, how to control your emotions like I am, charts right here, staring at this stuff, you know, that's what's telling me that all these decisions I keep trying to make are going to be stupid, or could potentially be stupid. So, you know, charts are truly a great emotion checker. So if you want to learn how to do those, just go to claytrader.com, go to the training section. Also have a live trading group where we have a chat room. I send out my weekly scans and all sorts of good stuff. So at the end of the day, I'm biased, so don't take my word for it. Go read some testimonials, and that way you can get a good third-party perspective. So I am done. I am frustrated, but I'm going to trade without emotion, and that means right now just getting away from the computer. So everybody have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Oh, if you like this video and if you like me kind of ranting and raving here, using this as a video diary, click the like button down below. Little things like that go a long way. Also leave your comments, even if you want to make fun of me, that's fine. I probably sound like a lunatic right now, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.